we have a 2014 registered 5-door Vauxhall Zafira Tourer SRI with a 2-litre manual transmission diesel engine. The car is finished in Olympic white. Key features include 1 private owner, air conditioning, 18-inch alloys, CD player, DAB digital radio, 7 seats, electric windows and mirrors, privacy glass, front and rear park assist, cruise control, tyre pressure monitoring, ABS and tinted windows. This Vauxhall Zafira has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for no obligation, fully refundable £100.